Hi. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Kate, and I'm a what?
I'm Laura, marketing director.
The marketing.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Kate, and
Director for
Sallie Tomato. Holiday.
or a little bit of holiday elegance. Yes.
I'm gonna request bigger font next year.
Something.
Gifting win. Oh.
your face. Oh.
Your faux leather from day. Oh shoot! What day?
Xandrite faux leather.
Glitz, I would say. Glitz.
Easy to locate.
Alexander.
Finish. So it
Alexandrite. Blah.
12 of our.
Elevate your.
start over.
Days.
Lux Fox. This Lux faux leather brand.
Elevate your handmade.
I cannot. Oh my god.
Keep your hands keyed.
Mushroom black. Oh my goodness, I'm saying these in the wrong order.
If you want to. Very cool.
Read my rep and tag so it don't wrinkle.
Day 22. Can you hear me? Okay. It was just such an interesting package.
Month. Oh no, that doesn't make sense. I don't need that. Come here, little washi tape. Come here.
We are gifting. Oh,
Beautiful hardware, and we can't see.
To make, it's what?
I hope you today.
Just next year, Sally.
Start that one over. Please.
Faux leather bundle includes
Everything you need. Yikes.
Washi tape has so many. I looked at the camera.
Project, or try it again.
tip is that you do not want to push. Oh, sorry.
style accessory.
At South. Be sure to.
Okay, this jacket is not a filming jacket.
Okay.
Make your
There's your blooper.
Faux leather. And what else? I forgot already.
Our next advent box is going to.
Hard rings. Oh, so close.
Channel. I literally was trying to say something that it wouldn't come out.
Still don't have it memorized.
Okay.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's.
So you get notified of all the video.
Stay tuned for day 10 tomorrow.
Give it a thumbs up. And it's getting worse. I'm getting worse. I am not getting better.
Stay tuned. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Ay. Okay. If you want to purchase, I can do this.
Stay tuned for day 10 tomorrow. Thanks for watching. That wasn't good.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's unboxing of day 10.
So that you never miss a tutorial, future videos.
If you like today's video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
You say please thumbs up.
Yes, is that not right?
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe.
Try it again. I think I can do that. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Okay.
We have the next 2025 advent box. No.
Please? Oh, shoot. Give a thumbs up.
For what day this is, I don't know why I just said that. I don't even know what day I'm on. 7? 9. Stay tuned for day 10.
Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always to...
Oh, I forgot what I was gonna say. Thanks for watching. That's all I have to say.